Baltic Sea, a huge basin in northern Europe. Beautiful on the outside, but on the inside it's a different story. Its main problem, agricultural spills, which have led to excess nitrogen and phosphorus in its waters. And this excess of nutrients in the long term leads to a depletion of oxygen in the sea. Tim runs a mussel farm in Kiel with a specific goal: to combat pollution of the Baltic Sea in an environmentally friendly way, as mussels help reduce harmful excess nutrients. These farms are part of Baltic Blue Growth, a project in which 6 mussel farms, including Tim's, are participating in.
These 6 farms are then in contact. I'm having here different conditions than in Sweden, so what works for me doesn't really work in Sweden and vice versa. But we can talk to each other and have then sharing of ideas.
6 countries participate in the €4.6 million project, €3.6 million of which comes from regional aid under the EU's cohesion policy. The Baltic's pollution is due in part to the fact that its waters work as kind of a funnel. The only way out is a narrow passage to the North Atlantic.
If you imagine a drop of water here in the Baltic Sea, in our region, the Kiel region, it will remain here on the average 40 years until it's being exchanged with the water in the North Atlantic. And whatever you put in terms of nutrients just does exactly the same. It stays here for a long, long time.
Here, the quality and transparency of the water is measured twice a year. Mussels eat microscopic algae full of nutrients and filter the water. The results are conclusive.
Yeah, I don't know, hundreds, thousands of mussels filtering something like 5 liters of water every hour. So this is a gigantic mass of water that's being filtered, and little particles such as phytoplankton are being taken out from the water, which results in a higher transparency.
In such a populated basin, social awareness on improving water quality with mussel farms is key, a role led, among others, by NGO, the EUCC.
Mussel farming can be an additional opportunity to improve the coastal areas and to improve the water quality there. It's not the only way. We have to think about other solutions in the catchment area. That means to reduce the nutrient loadings, to reduce the nutrient input in the agricultural technique and methods first.